See all this stuff? Ask me how I got it for almost free, or even taking money from Walgreens to buy it. So let's get into the deal. All right, how to utilize a whole mess of coupons on your account so you can still use Walgreens cash to pay and hardly anything out of pocket and get Walgreens cash back. And I had a deal that I could not refuse. So this here is one deal right here. Then 2 cough drops and the skin tints, another deal, and the rest are all separate. Okay, now for the first deal. I had to spend $50 and I'll get back $10. This also spend $50 in oral care and Oral-B products. It's tagged in the store, and I will have some cards on this video that if you spend $50 you will get back $20, and I got it back. So I found this one here for $39.99. There's a $25 digital coupon, so basically that makes it 15 bucks. Then I found this for $21.99, and I had a 10 off digital coupon. So basically that took $35 off my order. So what I need to do is I gotta get all the big coupons that I have to lower my out-of-pocket expense, so I can still use Walgreens cash to pay. So on my Doves, I had $7.50 on Doves, and I had 7 on 2 on the body wash. So these are 7 each. And I did the deal twice because I had 2 $7 off. I only got one of these, but that's okay. I also got 2 Doves. If you purchase 2 Doves, you would get back $4. And I used the $7.50 off of Dove, 2 of them. So them were $8. So one makes it 50 cents and the other one makes it 8. So I spent $8.50 and got back 4. So the Tresemme, I just threw them in because they are 2 for $10 this week. I had a 5 off 2 digital. So here's all my digital coupons. $7.50 off the Dove, that's deodorant. So I might as well put deodorant here. $5 off the Tresemme, $7 off the Dove body wash, 7 off the Dove body wash here, 25 off the Oral-B power toothbrush, and 10 off the replacement heads. So after all that said and done, okay, here it is. So there's the 2 Doves for $7. There's the other 2 Doves for $7. There's the Oral-B, the Tresemme, the Oral-B for $39.99, and the Doves for $16, which is them ones. There's the 25 off coupon. The 10 off coupon is $35. The other 5 down there makes it $40. Plus, you got $7.50 twice, so that's $55 in coupons. So that means, because I met the spend requirement with my coupons, I got to spend down. So I used $50 in Walgreens cash. I paid out of my pocket $16.65. Then I got back $30.65 in Walgreens cash, and I got the 4. So right there, the $30.85 plus the 4 is $34 back for spending the $50. So then my next transaction, I saw that this skin tint being $10, and this is a gift set, and I used should be right here, but it's not. I used a 20% off to lower my out-of-pocket expense for that. I'm hoping I have another one, and I do, right here. So that $10 razor came down to $8. And I threw in 2 of the cough drops because this week they are buy one for $1.50 and the other one's half price for 75 cents. So that makes it $2.25 for 2, and then you get back 5. You get 5 for just them. So I included the razor in it, and there's my $2 coming off for my 20% coupon, and it shows it's a 20% coupon. So after all said and done, I used $10 in Walgreens cash, and then I got back the 5 right here. So that only cost me for that razor set and 2 cough drops, $5.25. So I did the deal again on the cough drops, and I'm going to show you how they look individually. Buy one, get one half price, $2.25. Use $2 in Walgreens cash, paid 37 cents and got back 5. And I did it 4 times. I did not clean out the store. I just did it 4 times. Anyways, this is my Walgreens haul. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Please like this video and please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.